Hey guys, I just got this ring for size. I need to size this like two sizes up, and it looked pretty new ring to me. But when I received this ring, I noticed that there is a dent right here, and there is a pretty bad dent right here on the metal. Something looked like somebody tried to hammer it, or it just got damaged. So I told customer, I'll let the customer know that it's already been here, so they don't think that when I was sizing it, so I did this damage to the ring. So when you are receiving repairs, just check all the stones there. Make sure these are the diamonds. Let them know it's a diamond. If it's a cubic zirconia, just write down on the ticket it's like a cubic zirconia ring. And any like defect you see right here, as you see, it's already been damaged. So just mention on the ticket that it's already been damaged, so they don't blame when you size the ring and give it back to them. They don't say that, hey, you did this one right here. So it's very important to check your items before you take in. I hope this information help you if you are a new jeweler. All right, so I'm gonna size this ring and give it to customer. Take care. Bye bye.